It's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can emulate other architectures on an M1 Mac. Let's get started. So some VMs that you might want to run could be on a different architecture like x86 or AMD 64, and you want to run those VMs on an M1 Mac. But an M1 Mac is on the ARM architecture. So you need to emulate the other architecture to get that VM working. So to do this, you're going to need a virtual machine manager that supports processor emulation. One of these programs is UTM. So to download it, you could just go UTM manager download and find the one that says UTM virtual machines for Mac. Click on that. Then click on download. For some reason, getting it from the App Store requires a purchase, but downloading it will just get it for free. So once you have that downloaded, you want to open up that DMG file and drag this app into your applications. So now you want to go and open up UTM. So go find it here and open it. So what you want to do here is find your virtual machine that you want to run with x86, or you could just download the ISO for it. So I'll just download Ubuntu Server. So once you have that, the first thing you want to do is go create a new virtual machine, and you want to click the emulate option. It already has some pre-configured ones, but I'm running Linux, so I'll just choose Linux. And then right over here where it says boot ISO image, you want to click browse and find that ISO. So I actually ended up downloading Ubuntu Desktop instead, but it shouldn't matter which one you have. So you want to click continue. And then as you can see, it's already on x86, standard PC. You could choose how much memory you want to give it, how many cores, and then press continue. And then you could choose how big you want the drive to be. I'm not going to use this that much, so I'll just do 8 gigabytes. And then you should just be able to click save. So now it's all set up, it's all created. So now we could go ahead and run this. And as you can see, it already started to boot up, and it is properly running it because you could tell that it showed the Ubuntu options. And as you can see, Ubuntu is booting up. When you're emulating another architecture, it can be really slow for first load up or some other stuff, and sometimes a little bit laggy. But there's nothing you can really do about that. But hopefully, it should boot up and it should be working. So if you want to go into more detail on how to set up virtual machines, you can go to my previous YouTube video that I did on UTM, and I'll link that in the description. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye.